welcome to Anne-Marie's Workshop. My name is Anne-Marie and I love to make things with joy. If you like to make things with joy, then you have found the right place. Please like, subscribe, and share. This video is a planning video because I have taken on a new challenge for this year, but an old one from last year. Let me tell you about it. So this is my darling Sarah. She's my daughter. She is a massage therapist amongst many other things. And she goes to America and works for about 9 months of the year to sustain herself for the year. I'll explain our situation. In 2019, my parents got ill and I decided to move to Jamaica to take care of them. And that's where I've been ever since. And about, I think 2021, my daughter looked at me and said, I think I need to take care of you. So she started coming here for a large amount of the year. So she went through all the processes to be able to drive here and take care of, I guess, help me take care of my dad. But she does need to return to the United States and work and pay taxes and do all those good things that she needs to do to maintain her lifestyle. So last year she gave me a challenge. She said, Mom, I need 10 reversible items that will take me anywhere. Allow me to do my job, allow me to be social, allow me to be comfortable. And I want pockets and I want comfortable clothing, and I need it all to fit in my backpack. So that was the Sarah challenge last year. Now this year, she has another challenge for me, but with a twist. I will show you a gallery of the things I made for her last year. Worked very well, and now it's time to do something new.
Ooh, big head on the beat.
I know that you like me. Kiss me with your eyes closed. Kiss me with your eyes closed. Kiss me with your eyes. I know that you're you. We can still be cool, girl. I'm not trying to pressure you. Just can't stop thinking about you. You ain't even really gotta be my girlfriend.
They all sit and wonder why this feeling I cannot hide. It ain't a question of pride. It's love.
Certain things you just can't refuse. She wanna ride me like a cruise, and I'm not trying to lose. Then you're left in the dust, unless I stuck by.
Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. Gonna find you and take it slowly. Ready or not, here I come. You can't.
The light that you shine can't be seen. Baby, I compare you to a kiss from a rose on the grave. Ooh, the more I get of you. If I could be a superhero, I would be awesome man. I'd fly around the world fighting crime according to my awesome plan.
I can buy myself flowers, write my name in the sand, talk to myself for hours, say things you don't understand. I could have my Gucci on, I could wear my Louis Vuitton, but even with nothing on, bet I made you look. I made you look. Yeah, I look good in my Versace.
Now this is my first viral video. I did this short of Sarah getting undressed with all the clothes I had made her flying Spirit Airline. So it had 39 or 38,000 views. So it's my first exposure to being viral. But she wanted this year for me to make her 5 items that could do the same thing, go from day to night, and that she would end up with 10 or more outfits, but not as much bulk. I'll show you the video now.
I've been so down and under pressure. I'm way too fine to be this stressed, yeah.
I think that video is hilarious. I can't believe she did that, but she did end up being stopped by customs and immigration. Anyway, so this year, like I said, she wants 5 items that will give her multiple looks that she can wear on the plane because she travels light when she goes to do her work. So I'm thinking, now I know she's gonna want pockets, most likely knits and stretch items. It has to take her into Portland's fall. Let me think. She has to be able to move and do her massages. And I have inspiration for this color palette. These beautiful shoes were gifted to me by my Melly Mel, my daughter-in-law, just before the Christmas before I left for Jamaica. As you can see, I never got a chance to wear them. They really don't work here because of the temperature. They fit Sarah perfectly with a pair of socks. So this is the color palette. So it's pinks, browns, creams, a little bit of black. And I think this helps kind of lead me my way. So let me show you what I'm thinking of, and we'll see how it goes. So now I think it's time to mad scientist this. I have narrowed it down to, I think she needs a top, maybe 3/4 sleeves or long sleeves that she can push up in order to do her work. A skirt, slim and stretchable, a skirt full and wide, a vest with a hoodie, and I mean a vest like a sports vest, lightweight that goes all the way down to past her knees with a hoodie, and then a kimono, which goes on the other side, over everything. Okay, and she'll have to supply the leggings herself. I'm thinking she'll need rose, cranberry, black. So of course all these things have to be reversible because you know it's a sickness. So the top is going to be in pink and cranberry. That's the reversibility. The skirt, the slim skirt, would be in black and camel, and that would create all these different things that she can put together. The pull-on wider skirt will be probably a same pink print and cranberry that will go with the tops. And then the vest with the hoodie, the sporty dress look, I'm not sure about, because if you do a longer vest with a hoodie, it could be with a short cap sleeves, it could be like a sports dress. And I have something in mind for that. I know the pattern for that. And the kimono, you know, it's my favorite kimono. That can work as a coat, a lightweight coat, or a dress. And of course, it's going to be reversible. So now the trick is to find these fabrics and to get all my patterns together. So I'm going to go through my pattern stash, which is wide and deep, and find the things I want to use for her. And I'll be right back with you to share. Now I think I may have it put together, but we will have to see. I might have to adjust some things. I hope you're along for the ride. Okay, as for the top, I'm going to use the Maker's Atelier tie detail top. I like the fact that this is something that she can play with. And because of all this seaming, when I make it reversible, there won't be a lot of showage from the other side. I think that might work because she can push up or pull down depending upon the weather. Now, as for, I did make a change. I was going to go with a slim tube skirt, but I thought that wouldn't give her as much mileage as a pair of culottes with a wider hem skirt. I thought they would work together. So I found my favorite culottes. that can be made in knit. I call these my Lane Bryant favorites because everything I've ever bought from Lane Bryant is one of these patterns here. So I thought I would get these cool outs right here. I have a pair already made, so I'll get her to try those on, and I'll make them in a knit for her. And then as far as a pull-on skirt, despite the dramatics, this one right here, or I did think about this one here that is a skirt, but the band can pop up and be a bandeau. But my daughter is quite well endowed, so I don't think this bandeau thing will work for her. But it's something to think about. And let's see, the vest with the hoodie, I found this Butterick pattern, 3474. I want that hoodie with this zipper possibility, maybe the pockets, and drop the hem a bit. And that, I think if I do it in a sporty kind of knit, that will work for her as well. I think she'd love these pockets. We'll see. And of course, my favorite kimono, which will double as a dress. So I'm going to make it in a knit fabric. First time making this in a knit fabric, with a great zipper with a catch at the top. And one side she can wear it as a dress, and the other side she can wear it as a dress. Or if she need be, she can put it over and wear it like an outer level in the fall before she gets home here. And I'll see about how we're gonna, I don't think she's gonna even need a tie if I have the right zipper for it. Sorry for me moving my camera. Alrighty, so I think initially, I know what I'm doing now, well, but I'm also now really kind of charged trying to figure out the materials. I will keep you posted on that. I'm heading to Montego Bay next week, and I'm going to go through Pablo's as well as Ping's to see if I can find the fabrics that will work with this. And I'm also going to go to my local Ping's and see if there's any of these things I can solve. I know I want, because of the boot, because of this color palette, I know the kind of prints and things I'm looking for the top in knit. And I also know what I want the cool outs to be, and the pull-on skirt as well. I'm wanting all of these to be knit, so it could be quite a struggle. Might have to go online and look for a few things. Might have to go to Fabric Mart and see if I can find any of these things to get them ready for her to leave in April. Alrighty, that's what I'm working on this week. I'm up for the challenge. Keep posted and see what I come up with for her, the Sarah Challenge, year number 2. All right, guys, keep sewing. Make yourself happy.